Are you ready to embrace the future of water management? At Veolia, we're already there, ensuring reliable service for your community through digital innovation. Our experts in drinking water and wastewater are leveraging cutting-edge technology to transform how we deliver and protect your community's water. Imagine water quality being monitored in real time. Veolia's state-of-the-art operations command center provides 24/7 surveillance, while our user-friendly customer portal puts insights at your fingertips. Our technology also extends the life of your assets to reduce costs. But we're going even further. Imagine robots inspecting pipelines, drones monitoring infrastructure, and digital twins creating virtual replicas of entire water systems. This isn't science fiction. It's how we're working today, using tomorrow's technology to protect your community's most precious resource. At Veolia, we're not just managing water. We're revolutionizing how it's delivered, monitored, and protected. Welcome to the future of water services.